guys, what's up? My name is Celia and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. This is how my hair looks when I just wash it and let it air dry. I have not combed it yet because once I do, it's gonna go from like here to like here. I'm actually working with a company once again. The company is Duval. And they kindly sent over this 3-in-1 curling wand. Now, this is gonna be my first time actually using it for you guys, so you guys are gonna get my real, honest opinion. I wanna thank Amber for actually reaching out to me and sending me over this product. I'm so excited to use it. I'm gonna brush this hair out and then I'm going to get started. I'm gonna fast forward this video just so you're not kind of bored of watching me curl my hair for probably like 35 to 40 minutes. If you want to see how my hair turns out, please keep on watching. I'm so numb, strangers trying to pick my brain. Okay, so I absolutely suck and I decided to get my hair cut, so yeah. I'm still going to curl my hair simply because the girl did it straight and I kind of want to see how it is curly. So I'm going to do that now. Again, I really want to see how this wand is. So once again, I'm gonna turn it on. We're gonna set it to 392. The only thing I don't like about this curling wand so far is that the numbers show right here. It says 212. I feel like the top button should be the plus sign to go higher, but it's actually the minus sign. So if you press the top button, the temperature is gonna go down. And if you press the bottom one, it's gonna go up. I feel like it's backwards and it kind of bothers me. I told you guys I was just going to put music on and kind of not make you watch the whole thing, but my hair is shorter now, so maybe we could talk. Maybe. We'll see. How is your day going? Do you guys make like impulsive decisions like I just did? So we're just gonna take this, and I usually put the wand behind my head and curl the hair like this. That really doesn't look good. We're gonna do that again, and we're gonna hold it a little longer. Ah! This glove makes it super hard to hold on to my hair. Alright, I think it's looking pretty good. I feel like the glove doesn't help me whatsoever. Like, yeah, I might burn myself, but at least I'll have more of a feel to my hair. Because with the glove on, you can't feel anything. The glove is too big for my fingers. I feel, ow! Why do I keep burning myself? Like, this isn't the first time you've done your own hair, sis. We're getting there. Do you guys see where I'm trying to go with this? I don't think you do. I don't know. I always like those like fall outfit pictures on Pinterest, and the girls' hairs are always short and curly. Or well, not curly, like wavy, so we're just gonna do some of that shit. My lips are starting to look weird. I don't know why I put this color on. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. So after this, I'm gonna go down to the next size simply because since my hair is so short now, I feel like it would just look better. Like you can see it's kind of, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm curling it all the same. I'm curling it the same way, so I'm gonna change it for the next layer and then alternate the types of curls I do. Okay, so now we're gonna switch. My camera is dying again. Great, love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power off the curling iron. This part is still really hot, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on this like handy dandy glove so I don't get burned for the third time, because I've already burned myself 2 times, so I don't really want to do it again. So I was messing around with this when it was like cool to see how this part came off. You do not twist this part, do not touch it. Next section is this one. It's smaller, but it's still kind of big, so we're gonna match the little holes together. There's an arrow that should be in the front that should line up with unlock, and then you just twist it to lock it. So now I'm gonna turn it back on. I still
don't see your shadows in my room. It's to the point where I love and I hate you. You were my everything, thoughts of a wedding.
Alright guys, my camera is dying, but this is how my hair turned out. I am absolutely obsessed with not only the cut, but how this freaking curling iron curls my hair. I love the way it looks. I like the middle size more than I like the bigger one, simply because now my hair is short, so I don't need a bigger one to grab all of the hair that I used to have. But yeah, I love the way it came out. Once again, if you guys want to try this for yourself, they actually gave me a code, Sensation, I believe. I'll put it in the description box below, but you can get 70% off of one of their hair products. It's very professional and it actually works amazingly. Like,